Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is a general stabilizing interaction. It involves delocalization of sigma electrons of CH bond of an alkyl group directly attached to an atom of unsaturated system or to an atom with an unshared p orbital. So here hyperconjugation involves delocalization of sigma electrons. These sigma electrons are of CH bond. CH bond is of an alkyl group, and this alkyl group is directly attached to an atom of unsaturated system. Or the alkyl group may be directly attached to an atom with an unshared p orbital. The sigma electrons of the CH bond of the alkyl group enter into partial conjugation with the attached unsaturated system or with the unshared p orbital. Hyperconjugation is a permanent effect. Hyperconjugation effect can be observed in carbocations. For example, consider ethyl carbocation CH3CH2+. There is a methyl group or alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying a positive charge. Here, carbon carrying the positive charge has an unshared p orbital. So there will be delocalization of sigma electrons of CH bond of methyl group attached to carbon carrying the positive charge which has an unshared p orbital. As a result of shifting of the sigma electrons of the CH bond of the methyl group, carbon-carbon single bond now becomes double bond. So that is how we get the first resonating structure. The delocalization of the sigma electrons can also take place if we consider another CH bond of the methyl group attached to the carbon atom having an unshared p orbital. So that is how we get three different no bond resonating structures. We know that in the case of carbocations, the order of stability is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary, or tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than isopropyl carbocation, which in turn is more stable than ethyl carbocation, which is more stable than methyl carbocation. The stability of tertiary butyl carbocation can be explained on the basis of hyperconjugation effect. Now, if we consider tertiary butyl carbocation, since three methyl groups are attached to carbon having an unshared p orbital, from one methyl group, three different structures can be drawn. And since three methyl groups are attached to carbon carrying the positive charge in tertiary butyl carbocation, 9 different no bond resonating structures will be possible. So tertiary butyl carbocation has the maximum number of no bond resonating structures, and hence tertiary butyl carbocation is the most stable. Now if we consider isopropyl carbocation, only 2 methyl groups are attached to carbon carrying the positive charge. So here in this case, number of no bond resonating structures that can be drawn will be 6. 3 from one methyl and another 3 from the other methyl group. So if more number of no bond resonating structures can be drawn, greater will be the stability. So tertiary butyl carbocation is the most stable because more number of no bond resonating structures can be drawn for tertiary butyl carbocation. Conjugation effect can also be observed in unsaturated systems like alkenes. For example, consider propene CH3 CH double bond CH2. Consider the carbon-carbon double bond. The double bonded carbon atoms will be under sp2 hybridized state. So those two carbon atoms will be having an unhybridized p orbital. Carbon atom, which is a part of the double bond, has a methyl group attached to it. So there will be complete delocalization of sigma electrons of the CH bond of methyl group, which is attached to one of the doubly bonded carbon atoms. As a result of delocalization, the CH bond breaks and there will be shifting of the sigma electrons. The carbon-carbon single bond now becomes double bond, as a result of which the double bond will now change to single bond and the pi electrons of the double bond will be now with the CH2 carbon as a lone pair of electrons. So such three different structures are possible if we consider propane. So hyperconjugation involves complete delocalization of sigma electrons of the CH bond of an alkyl group which is attached to a carbon atom with an unshared p orbital, or which is attached to carbon atom which is a part of an unsaturated system. We have thus discussed the various electron displacement effects like inductive effect, then electromeric effect, both positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect, resonance effect, both positive resonance effect and negative resonance effect, and hyperconjugation. Thus we have covered all the topics given in the chapter.